In today's video, we will see how to program AVR microcontrollers using Arduino. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First, we need the microcontroller we want to program, which in my case is the ATmega8. Next, we need an Arduino Nano as the programmer. For building the circuit, we need a breadboard and some male-to-male jumper wires. We also need a few small components, such as a 16 MHz crystal, two 22 picofarad capacitors, and a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now that all our components are ready, let's start connecting. You can see the circuit diagram on the screen. Carefully connect the ATmega8 and the other components to the Arduino Nano as I show you. You can pause the video here to complete the connections. All connections are complete. Now, I'll connect the Arduino to the computer. Then, I'll open the Arduino IDE on the computer, go to Files, then Examples, and click on Arduino ISP. Then, I'll upload this code to the Arduino Nano. Now the Arduino Nano is ready as an ISP programmer. Now, click File again and select Preferences. Here, in the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, paste the link I've provided in the description and click OK. Next, go to the Tools menu, open the Boards Manager, and search for MiniCore in the search bar. You will see the MiniCore package appear. Select it and click Install. Once the installation is complete, open a new sketch from the File menu. Type or paste the program you intend to upload to the ATmega8 microcontroller here. Then, go to the Tools menu again, select MiniCore from the Board submenu, and choose ATmega8. Don't forget to select the correct COM port. Since we are using a 16 MHz crystal, select external 16 MHz under the clock settings, and choose Arduino as ISP as the programmer. Finally, go to the Sketch menu and click Upload using Programmer. Your program will now be uploaded to the ATmega8 microcontroller. You can see that the ATmega8 microcontroller has been successfully programmed. At this stage, we will disconnect all the connections of the ATmega8 microcontroller with the Arduino Nano. This means the Arduino Nano is now free from its role as a programmer. Next, we will power the ATmega8 microcontroller directly with a 5-volt power supply. Now you can see the ATmega8 microcontroller is running directly on a 5-volt power supply. This means we no longer need the Arduino Nano or any other programmer, as the ATmega8's programming is complete. As a result, this microcontroller is now fully ready to be used directly in any of your projects. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and share. And yes, we will be creating more exciting projects with the ATmega8 in the future, so stay with us. Thank you for watching.